Time for a donation video again. This time it's a box from StarshipCollector. Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here with an unboxing video. This is a donation video from the user. He's on Twitter and he's also mainly on Instagram. Goes by the handle of StarshipCollector. He does 3D prints of starships. He likes sci-fi, he likes Stargate as well as Star Trek. He got in touch with me on Twitter to say, would you like a couple of models? And I was like, yes. It doesn't live not too far from me. I mean, I'm in the Yorkshire area, a little bit further south than me. That's fine. So, this is the unboxing. I've already opened this a little bit, just to see if there's any explosives or any drugs or whatever inside. So I know there's a couple of little things in here anyway. I don't know if there's any cookies inside. That would be nice if there was a cookie. So, yes. So, basically, thank you very much for donating this. This is potentially, if I know exactly what's in here, going to be another video that I can do for this. If anybody else watching this video wants to donate to the channel, if it's physical donations like this, great. If you want to donate money, let's say for a Patreon, or you want to go on the YouTube membership, brilliant. Please do so. All the links should be in the description below. I've got tons of videos. I will do a dedicated video for you and you'll be on the scroll at the end of every video for a donation. Right, here we go. So opening it up, I'm going from right to left. I've got a bin alongside here, so I'm going to have a look at what's inside. I think there's a lot of paper, because down here there's some, you can't see it, tissue paper. Let's open it up and see what's in. This should be a couple of models. Is that what I've been told anyway? Let me take the lid off here anyway. So this came this morning, the 13th of June. So let's have a look at, I need to be careful because I think some of this stuff is actually maybe something wrapped inside. So, no. I've done that before where I've actually had a donation and it's been just packed and I've already put it in the bin. Never mind. Right, that's odd to start with. This is the top section that you get with the Build the Enterprise D kit. Now, whether or not he's had one of these before and decided not to continue with it, or maybe bought this for the binder or for whatever else reason, I would like to redo this again from scratch, the Enterprise build, but to make things better, to make the lighting better, to seal in any leaks. I mean, like this here, you could glue these two parts together, maybe squeeze in so you get as little gap as possible, maybe even get, I don't know, obviously the windows would have to be a lot better done anyway, but that's part of the Enterprise D build. It is, and it is coming back on July the 17th. So, there we go. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, there's something in here. What is in here? I'm intrigued. Oh, okay. This is one of the models he actually gave me. I might actually snip in a quick picture from his Instagram feed here. And then this is what I've noticed that he'd done. This is so lightweight. This is one of the 3D prints he's done. I think they were either prints that were, and I see the lines on this anyway, but yeah. I've never done a 3D print. I would love to do a 3D print. There's a couple of little bits that I'd fill in maybe, and this is the Titan A. So the USS Titan shows over there. It's a nice size, these. They didn't do the Titan A. There's a couple of little bits on here which I could do with filling in because of the print, how the printer works itself, but this is actually really good. I mean, this was, and I've actually looked into this before from his Instagram feed. Yes. This is from models by Frosty Bird. I'm from Thingiverse. But yeah, I quite like that. I mean, they're all fully complete. I can make my own stand on there anyway if I wanted to. But I think I'm going to do something with this. I mean, yeah, I know how the printing, like I said, printing works. That's by the by. I want to try and make a flatter surface. We fill in a couple of these little marks where it's failed a little bit on the back, but that's actually really, really good, that. Not bad at all. So, okay. Well, I'm guessing if that's that one, as I said, there's a picture I'll probably have hopefully put in, will be of, yep, both of these. This is the Enterprise G. Exactly the same model, apart from they've raised on the front here the NCC 1701G, which is Enterprise. Yeah, it is exactly the same. No difference at all. They just renamed the ship because that's where they're going if they do the Star Trek Legacy. So yeah, it's painted bits of these. These are really good. I think I could do a little bit better, but this will be a project for another time. But I really do like these. These are really, really good. Technically, like I said, these are exactly the same ship, but they just changed the lettering on there. But yeah, that's really, really nice, that. Cool. So, what else is in the box? Okay, so 2 models is obviously more than enough. Oh, hello. Hello. I'm just going to get down to some paper. Paper. Lucky it's bin day tomorrow. Paper. Checking. Now, with the Enterprise D build coming soon, they've already said that, oh, we're going to sell you a binder. I have a spare one already, and now I have 2. And it looks like it's never been used. Thank you very... Hello. What have we here? I don't have anything in there. Right. He knows me, and I've already messaged him about this, saying, "Are you? Did you realise you put these in?" And he says, "Yep, fine. You would enjoy it. Also, I would enjoy having this. I never had this. My subscription, yeah, it continued from to 21. Well, no, it was 20 models. 21 will be coming sometime, hopefully in July. But I never got the screw box. Never, ever got the screw box. These are all parts from, I think, parts 1. Is it parts 1 to 6? Because you got the nacelle on one of them. I'd have to look on the internet and see, because I do stuff on oh yeah, Memory Alpha for the build of this. So yeah, I think this is just part 1 and 2, because part 1 comes with the bridge section, or some of the bridge section at least anyway, and then the second one comes with the nacelle. Now the thing with this, if I can get the other parts for the bottom of this, I can quickly get the Enterprise, my Enterprise, looking like it's got 2 nacelles. Now inside here, I'm guessing that you've got spare screws. Yes, the horrible dodgy screwdriver, which it just looks like it's pretty much, yeah, the parts of the silvers come off, but it will do. It's a cheap screwdriver. There's left batches in there. That's good. The end of the nacelle, he's done exactly the same as I did. Okay, you could put the lettering on the bottom of here to know what screws go in these. I mean, you could quite easily just put some more of these, and yeah, you can make smaller compartments. But yeah, that's really, really good. Thank you very much. I do have the smaller one, which it does work well with the smaller one. But yeah, that's brilliant. I mean, I know this is just a screw box with a sticker over it. I am no illusion what exactly this is. But put the stickers on the bottom, that's exactly the same as what I did. It's wrote on there as well, but obviously changed his mind. That's absolutely brilliant. So I've got more parts with the Enterprise D. I can't, yeah, they're the parts I already have. No, that's the screwdriver out. But yeah, parts on the primary hull, that kind of, I think, it's either there or it is there, but it needs to fold underneath everything. Yeah, cool. Very, that's right at the front corner bit there, or is it? Yeah, I think it's the front corner bit there, so that might even be over here, potentially. But the way the lights come into it, it's an absolute nightmare of a build. And what I'd do if I didn't have these, if I didn't have my own and I wanted to start from scratch and knew what we're doing, take off all these back plates, take out all these windows, pour in some resin, put a plate on the one side, pour in some resin, and then black out certain ones. But yeah, that's what a lot of people should have done originally. What always got me is this at the top of the nacelle. There's no 3 lines on there, but there's ones on the back of here. But that was obviously something that they missed out completely with. So there's your donation. If you want to donate something yourself, I am more than happy to receive whatever, to be honest. I mean, this is really good. I've got another binder when I need it, if I need it, which I don't think I do, because when they start doing the subscription again, yes, July 17th is when they ship, but they turn around to us like they do normally, well, they did with Eaglemoss did normally, is would you want a special poster? Would you like a special model? Call us or email us if you don't want it. I don't need the binder. I have got 2 spare now. I know these go on eBay for like £10 or something. I've also got a spare stand as well. But I'm thinking with the size of it, let's pretend this is the Enterprise D build. It will go in there and then pivot there, and then the whole weight of the saucer is right there. So I'm planning on maybe putting an extra arm or maybe something between the stand, if I get something with it, between this underneath of this primary hull to the stand, or maybe even put a second stand underneath here, maybe using the base of it as some sort of metal part just to hold the saucer up. I'm not entirely sure that's going to work. I have seen the way this saucer separates on the Enterprise D, and it kind of comes out and then it comes up. We'll see eventually, but that probably won't be until later on this year when we get to that stage. So done. Thank you very much to StarshipCollector. Follow on Twitter, follow on Instagram. I don't know if he does any of this sort of stuff as a to sell or anything, but if he does, it's not bad work. He said to get a more flatter model to not show the lines on the print. Yeah, we'll take a lot of sand in and a bit of fill in, but for what these are almost the special size, not XL size, but a special size, sort of like halfway between your little ones and the bigger ones. So yeah, good size ship, and I can do a lot with them. So thank you very much to StarshipCollector, and I really appreciate these. So please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media. If you want to donate, get in touch. I'm all over social media, well, some parts anyway. And if you want to be a Patreon, please help out the channel as best you can. I've just realised something. I think I might have got issue 2. No, I haven't got issue 2. There's a part of a deflector on here, I think, that's in here. No, it isn't. It isn't, Ralph. Don't be so silly. Right, so actually, no, it is. I'm looking at the parts here. I think there's magazine 1 and almost 2 apart. Ah, it is. This is, isn't it? Because the neck goes round it. Yeah, this is stages magazines 1 and 2. All this lot. Cool. Okay. So stages 3 for the build actually starts with the back of the neck section, the battle bridge sort of area, and then starts to come down. Yeah. Okay. So cool. These would have been the ones that you first come out with and decided not to build. Fine. Great. Thank you very much for the donation. Like I say, like, share and subscribe, follow me on social media, consider being a Patreon, consider donating, all the links are down below. And I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.